We're at the street level entrance of Brookfield Place, just opposite World Trade Center, One World Trade Center. These escalators are the way up from the underground entrance of the Oculus in World Trade Center, which I will show you towards the end of this video. And this is a very high-end mall that conveniently has a food court in it. You can see exactly how high-end it is. Pretty much right off the bat, because of the stores that you have greeting you. Gucci. And to access the area that you're going to be bringing your groups through to catch the food court, just walk straight back. You have this lovely atrium. Food court's actually on the next floor up, and you can access it a few different ways. These stairs are one. You walk up the stairs into your right, or, as we're going to go up in just a few moments, we're going to go up an escalator, which is at the end of the atrium. That's gorgeous, isn't it? See that escalator right there? And that's the way we're going to walk up right now. We're walking up the escalator. There is another escalator opposite it. Food options on that side are non-existent, so you're going to want to stay to this end. One thing to keep in mind about this food court is that very few of the locations here accept cash. If your group is walking in with credit cards, you're perfectly fine. Cash, not so much. And the food options are behind this wall here. There's a couple ways you can get in. We're going to walk around the back so I could show you the view. All the tables, all the sitting options. That's New Jersey over there. And I'm walking through a little bit later in the afternoon, so it's clearly not as busy as it would be during a normal lunch break. I'm also not confident about what food options to recommend here. I've only been in a few times myself. Black Seed Bagel shop on the right here is very tasty. I've eaten there. So approximately 7 or 8 different food options at the moment. This is spring of 2022. There's the bagel place. And now we're walking back out towards the atrium. This is the direction that we just came from. So you can see it loops around. You can also eat out in the atrium or on the steps. They've even seen some people picnicking on the steps after they get their food takeaway. And that is the direction of the outside space that we just walked from. And in case you missed it, these are the bathrooms. And here's what the escalators look like, or how you access them from inside the World Trade Center.